Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a really useful topic for FireStick users. We'll show you step-by-step how to install STBEmu Pro, a fantastic app for IPTV on FireStick. Whether you're new to this or just looking for a refresh, stick around because we've got you covered. Before we begin, make sure your FireStick is powered on and connected to the internet. Now, let's get started. Step: navigate to Settings. From your FireStick home screen, move over to the top menu and select Settings. Step: select My Fire TV. Scroll right and choose My Fire TV. Step 3. Choose Developer Options. Inside My Fire TV, go ahead and open Developer Options. Step: enable apps from unknown sources. Here, you need to enable apps from unknown sources. This allows us to install apps that are not available on the Amazon App Store. Step: confirm the action. A warning message will appear. Just click on Turn On to confirm. Step: return to FireStick home screen. Now, press the home button on your remote to return to the FireStick home screen. Step: install Downloader app. To install STBEmu Pro, we'll use the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed yet, go to the search icon and type in Downloader. Step: open Downloader app. Once installed, open the Downloader app.
Step 9 enters Demo Pro URL.
In the Downloader app, enter the following URL to download the STBEmu Pro API kit. Step: download STBEmu Pro API kit. After entering the URL, click on Go to start the download.
Step 11 install STBEmu Pro.
Once the download completes, click on Install to install STBEmu Pro on your FireStick.
Step 12 open STBEmu Pro.
After installation, click on Open to launch STBEmu Pro. Step: set up STBEmu Pro. You'll now need to configure STBEmu Pro with your IPTV subscription details. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your portal URL or MAC address. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed STBEmu Pro on your FireStick. Enjoy seamless IPTV streaming right from your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.